Rolling over, tossing, turning my king size bed. Think I'm too big for my britches, getting king size, yeah. I'm closing doors when the phantom peaks. But what the phantom don't see is that I already locked them. Dead bolted, that ain't closure, I ain't disregard them. I'm head focused, deep down, I know they help me solve them. Hey, I kinda like it when the phantom peaks glisten, mirror images of what we are and who we be. And I don't think I'm mad for that, I live my whole damn life on ice and I ain't going back to that. I'm alright now, feeling over my crown. 1, 2, step left, right, I'ma shine now. Mama said I'm hype now, Yogo said I'm tight now. Hey, and that's cool, but I was who I found. Yeah.
You saw something I never saw in me. Made the remark that all you hide is all you must set free. I wrote you letters but I scrapped them. Wrote you songs but couldn't capture all the things that really mattered too much to me. And I'm not saying I regret a thing, just feel a little lost. I mean, I know that I've been moving, just don't know if it's enough. I'm not the one I'd like to be, oh no. But I see someone else get through the city lights and foggy nights. I'm moving towards myself. And I could be all on my own. Watch
62
go by.
Has a scatter, smoking
From afar is such a reason. But if you get close, then I am sure you'll find it's always a beginning. Yeah, it's always a beginning. It's true. I thought that I could drift through life on all
Check it out on the 5-minute chart. We got
They said everything turns out fine, don't know if they really meant it. I wasted so much of my time looking for ways to circumvent the sinking feeling. Now I know it's the same one that makes you rise. I guess these sort of things just take their
Alright,
time.
and that is the cumulative volume, so that tells you the overall. The week after next is CPI. The week after that is FOMC. So I think those will be September.
Remember the first summer of our life.
Alright, so we got some green coming up.
The first summer your heart got broken, it would be the last. The summer you went out of town, I stayed inside till you came back. The summer that we grew apart, but I guess that we were okay with that. It's not my best, but I guess it's a start. I've always felt that I was in the dark. I'd like to tell you, but it feels we're worlds apart. I filled up so much of my past trying to avoid the detriment. Was always looking for the perfect time to take the smallest steps. I wondered why you always seem so eager to get closer with the sinking feeling. Now I know it's the same one that makes you rise.
Alright, that's my second time trying calls and not working out, so I don't know. Action pretty flat so far.
Not to mention,
I'm
one of the
leaning,
most aggravating parts of
let me meet this guy. I'm leaning kind of bearish here. I'm leaning kind of bearish here. The only reason I was trying calls was, like you guys heard from him, they're putting liquidity higher, like at 4,010, 4,015 on SPX or ES, but yeah, it just doesn't seem that strong. So I think I'm done playing calls right now. I'm looking for a put entry here. I'll be more confident we can break under 398, but just waiting here. Those calls I just played, I got out for a 0.10 profit on them. Sucks because they hit like 860, so that could have been almost 100 point win on that, but you saw that candle, it came back down real fast, and then the premiums dropped, so I got stopped out. I had to stop at 790, but I got filled at 780, I believe. No, I got filled at 770, but luckily I got out because then it dropped pretty significantly there. Other than that, you guys saw me trying these 401 calls earlier. Right at market open, those didn't work out, so I had to stop out of them. And then I played these puts for a small win as well.
You did 20.
There we go.
You still have also 39.70. They're right at 39.65 below. Come on back down.
Damn, bro. Fuck.
Sell volume's gone. So the sell volume came out. All volume, in fact, came out here. I'm watching this, but. All right. Calls. In. Bam. First touch of EMA off of S2. I knew I should have trusted the first touch.
Perfect bounce off demand zone, but didn't play just because of the fact that I had tried calls 2 times earlier. Didn't work out, so I wanted to be an extra patient, and now it looks like I'm missing out on the move. Not gonna chase it, but fuck, man. Ticks reacted nicely right there as well. Yeah, looks like we're gonna go retest 400 again. Probably come up to the zone. That's most likely the scenario here. 4020-ish, 4025 maybe. Dang it, man. Fuck, these calls were like at $7, bro. They were at $6 actually at the low here, but like 7 around here. Damn. Liquidity doesn't lie, bro. It doesn't lie. Fuck, man. It was a perfect balance. Like right when we saw it stalling here, I should have picked up some calls there. And you saw the sell volume drop off. Fuck, man. I fumbled there. Great play though. Fuck. GG's, man. G fucking G's. See you guys next week.
Walking through this world, I seem to fall in love with everyone I meet. But at the end of every road, it's always just you and me. It's always just you and me. I go too slow, then I speed up. I talk too much, then not enough. I overthink, then not at all. I think too much about it.
So mad we missed this move. It was such a clean move here. Look, demand zone, right up to supply zone. Now my target's like 425. I think we could see that today. If we clear this zone, then potentially like 450, 470-ish. I don't expect this to go much higher than that though. If we go much higher than that, then I don't know, man. Things could get bullish again. This could have been just like a big pullback for this, you know, the move up. If we start crossing above 4,070. Dang, bro. Please don't see new high of day here. Please give us another chance to get in. And then I might scalp calls for a high of day here, but fuck, I definitely sold too early on that one. Like I literally could have waited 5 more seconds and I would have made double what I made. Man, remember these 401s too? We sold those at 60, bro. Then they hit 180-ish. No, 170 they hit. Our bum ass sold them down here. What a bum. Right after we sold it, they ended up dropping to 30 something. So I mean, I guess we sold right, but could have re-entered.
Satisfied with settling, perfecting, never practicing. The worst part is I feel that I am running out of time. Need to figure out my shit so I can leave it all behind. And I'm sorry to you. I had problems of my own, I couldn't find the time for you. So I'm sorry to you. Maybe in the future I could be the one for you.
Alright, nice trade there. Nice little scalp there to bring us back green on the day. I like that. Honestly, we could go for higher, but just want to lock it in so we're green on the day. And then we can get a little bit more aggressive during power hour, because right now we're about to enter lunch hour. It's 8:30, so don't want to get too aggressive here and ask for too much, because we can just as likely pull back down here. We saw a big rejection last time, so could expect some more consolidation here. Just going to take the nice small win there. Again, brings us back green on the day, so I like that. And yeah, going to be patient here. Okay, here he goes. 935 on these contracts now. 950. We sold him at 910. Dang it, man. I was adjusting my sell order there. Originally, I had it placed at 9, I believe, and then I moved it to 930. Then I moved it to 950, but then I moved it back to 910, and that's where I ended up getting an exit. So 950 would have hit. We would have got an extra 40 points per contract there. It's all good though. So nice little wick here. Yeah, I think we're gonna see some consolidation. See, there we go. All the way back to, we would have been red on the trade now. 760. Another big rejection there. That's why I ended up exiting, because I saw this last time, and that's a big red flag there. I still think it's like 90% chance we see a new high of day eventually, but could happen closer to power hour. We might chop around here, and Theta's gonna destroy these contracts. So I don't know, we could see something here, and then towards the end of the day see a nice push. That's what I'm expecting to see. So gonna let price like play out here. At least we have a green day. I mean, it's 0.10%, but I guess that makes up the red day we had on Wednesday. I think it was a negative 0.10% day, so I guess it evens it out. And then we had a nice green day on Monday, Thursday, yesterday, and Tuesday we had a nice green day too. So amazing week so far. I mean, amazing week. But yeah, maybe hopefully we can turn this into a bigger green day, but I'm gonna wait till like later on. So happy we exited there. Good to see. Here comes that drop we were talking about. So yeah, probably gonna do this for the next couple hours, and then hopefully we don't know for sure yet, but hopefully we see high of day once we get closer to power hour. But for now, probably gonna see this a little bit. Might even break down below here, trick the shorts, trap some of them, and then come back up. So I'll be watching it. If I see something interesting, might hop into some calls, because that's the way I'm leaning right now. I think we do see high of day. We should see 420 touch today, 425, maybe 430 if we get lucky. So we still have room for like a 20-point trade here if we time it correctly, and if that's the move that we end up getting. You know, it could end up being that we just fade back down and then close where we opened, or I mean, low day is still in play potentially if bears get aggressive here, but I probably won't play that if that's the case, because right now my thesis is to the upside. But yeah, getting a drop right now. Alright, second big drop here. After the first drop, they brought it all the way back up, like a couple cents away from new high of day. Then they brought us all the way back up. Again, I think they might try to crack this, trap some shorts here. Unless they really start like showing some selling pressure, then I'm still leaning bullish here. These calls drop down to 4.7. We can pick some up here, like to start a position here, but don't want to risk it. Still want to see how we react on the break of this, if we are going to break down. But so far it's trying to be defended here. Alright, we broke down below that level like we talked about. Seems a bit strong here. Ticks negative 796. Peacock is increasing pretty dramatically here. It's all the way up to 0.85 now. So that's a bit notable. Makes me a lot less bullish here, but not going to take a short. Obviously, want to wait for that first bounce to see how players react. And yeah, I want to watch to see how these ticks sustain down here. Alright, another big red candle there. Interesting. Oh, okay. Alright, that definitely, okay. Throwing away my high of day thesis. That is no longer my thesis. Negative, okay. That is why I wanted to wait to see how they would react to this level. Alright, bulls just giving up there. kind of surprising there, but I mean, it makes sense. We're still overall bearish here. Think of the big drop we just had, right off the supply zone, so makes sense. So I'm gonna look for a short entry here if we get a decent bounce. Maybe retest this 399.85. Gonna be looking at the 3980 puts. They're currently going for 710, so gonna wait for a bounce to see where we go, and then might try to pick those up. Looks like they're not really trying to give us a bounce here. We're staying pretty down here. Ticks are staying like negative 500 and above or below. Again though, I really don't want to chase here, but I am leaning bearish now. It's crazy how fast your thesis can change, but I mean, I did tell you guys I was midterm, long-term bearish. It was just short-term. I thought we would get a bigger bounce than what we got. I thought we'd see maybe 4,050. But it doesn't look like they want to give it to us. So I do want to be patient here though and wait for that first bounce. Although it might not happen and it might just keep breaking down here. Nas looks a little bit weaker here. They're pretty close to their low day. They're not too far off. Interesting. IWM is actually holding up, you could say, better than the rest. And they were the ones leading to the downside this morning. I guess maybe that's why they look better, because their low was all the way down here. Yeah, they've all pulled back to basically the same. IWM just looks stronger because their low's all the way down here. But that's also because they had another leg down here. Ticks increasing again, so they didn't give us a bounce. Them fuckers, bro. That's a fake candle. Yeah. Damn. Okay. No bounce. The true strength indicator dropped off a cliff, bro. I have it on my chart to the left here. I don't know how I could show you guys. I can't. I mean, I can, but I'd have to move a lot. Alright, they're waking this candle here. If we can get a touch on the 9 EMA, that would be nice. But I definitely don't want to chase it when we're this extended from the EMA. Fuck, man. Yeah, they're being aggressive, man. They just dropped us all the way from 400s, 401s, down to 398. $3 drop. Just like that, out of nowhere. Middle of day 2. God dang, bro. That would have been such a nice play, bro. Honestly, I could have grabbed some puts there, but I was, leaning for high of day. So I was looking for calls here instead of puts, which would have been the right move because break key support. And, I thought the reaction was going to be, a flush, but then a bounce. But I still could have played that flush there. And then obviously it would have worked out a lot better than anticipated. GG's if you caught that. Nice move. Basically, we would have made up for missing this big move. But no, we missed both moves. One in each direction. This indicator here, low-key not that bad. It had a stealth signal up here. Here, let me see. Let me clean this up a little bit so it's cleaner. It's called the super trend indicator on Webull. I don't use it for entries and exits. I just wanted to add stuff to my chart. Because this is like my, not even secondary chart. It's like my third. It's like the third chart I look at. I have it set up. I have this one, which is like my main chart. I have my trading view, which is where I draw supply zones, demand zones. And then, I made a video on how I have that set up if you're interested. And then I have this here, which I typically keep it on the 10-minute. So it'll typically look like this. And then I decided to mess around with some indicators here. I know I just made a video not bashing indicators, but I'm like, I don't use indicators. I don't really, but I've been trying out these two indicators down here. So this one here It's called the true strength indicator, TSI. And yeah, according to the true strength indicator, so if you put a different time frame, it'll look completely different. But if I show you guys a 3 minute, so it's like more accurate, you guys will see that it's negative 33 right now, which is bearish as hell. And then you have the signal one. So what you can do is, like, when it goes from being below to above, you can take a trade there basically. So here when we crossed over, let's see where that is on the chart. So it was like right here, 754. No way it timed the top perfectly, bro. Or not the top, but 754. Okay, so right here it crossed over. So you could have went short there, and if you didn't get stopped out, you placed your stop at high of day. That would have been a nice win. But obviously I don't recommend using indicators as buy or sell signals. It's just, you know, an indicator. And then I have this other one here, accumulation distribution line. So it's a volume indicator on like how much they're accumulating. And they were accumulating while we're up here, but now it's dropping off, obviously. So yeah, just brand new indicators I'm just trying out. Don't put too much importance on them. Just honestly, if I'm being completely honest, oh my god, we're dropping big here. But what I was gonna say is, honestly, I just have him there for aesthetic purposes mainly. It just looks cool to have shit on your charts. And then somebody walks into your room, they're like, damn, this guy, like, what do all these lines mean? But in reality, the only thing that's really important is price. Price, volume, and that's it. So brought us all the way down to low day. I did say low day was still potentially in play depending on how strong they were once we broke this key level, but I didn't play it, unfortunately. Damn, these just went from like $4 to $9. Holy shit, they were $1. They hit a low of like 150, and now they're at they hit like 10. I saw them around 5 though. Like when we were here, they were at $5. Sucks, bro. They didn't give us our bounce. If they would have gave us our bounce, we could have caught this. Fuckers, bro. They're fuckers. Looks like our boy Keanu caught that move on SPX. Nice 200% there. Shout out to Keanu, man. He's a beast of a trader. It's another reason to join the Nets Trades community. Link in description below. But I think we are kind of pausing new members at the moment because, like, there's like a, I don't even know too much about it, honestly. But there's like a merger going on or something. So you guys are not allowed to enter the community at the moment. It's paused, but should return soon. Yeah, be on the lookout for that. So yeah, just gonna be patient here, just wait. Gonna continue ending the video. If we get lucky and they give us a bounce, I'll hop back on, but if not, then we might have missed a move again. It's just that type of day, isn't it? Just that type of day. How many red candles is this in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red 3-minute candles in a row, back to back. And some of them have pretty significant size. Nas down 0.43. Ticks again, negative 1,000. Dude, they're not giving us no fucking bounce. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is so frustrating, bro. See, that's the downside for waiting for like a bounce, like trying to get the perfect entry or a better price so you get better risk reward. Sometimes you just have to jump in, man. Dude, we could have jumped in here. We would have been up like 100-200%. Like this is a play similar to the play we caught the other time when we caught a 300% play on SPX, which I posted about. If you guys haven't watched that video, it's a very, very similar move, but obviously I would be insane to chase it down here. Even if it goes another 100%, the risk reward is just not worth it. It's this like a what, 40-point drop already, 50-point drop. Holy crap, bro. These are a fucking 18 now. Dude, I'm actually gonna cry. I'm gonna fucking cry. Oh man. $1 to 18, bro. The fuck, bro? Sheesh. They turned themselves algos on. Look at the 90 May. Once it got below it, hasn't gotten above it once. That's how you know to stay in the trade. No bounce, bro. They can't bounce this for shit. And we've already dropped 60 points basically. Still, they can't bounce it at all. We're weak as fuck right now. But I'm just sitting here on the sidelines waiting, bro. This point, even if we get a bounce, like we missed a 60-point move. Oh my god, dude. God, bro, what? Dude, no, wait, what? Is there news or something? Where did this come from? What? What? I don't think I've ever seen something quite like this. Again, that 300% con and SPX I think it's like a couple weeks ago, was similar, but this one, I don't know, man. I guess the other one did come out of nowhere as well. This is just wild, though. Wow. So they gave us our bounce there, but I was looking for a little bit more than that. God, what? You gotta admit, this is fucking crazy. Keanu's probably up like 600% on his puts already. Wow. Straight to the next demand zone. Low-key calls aren't that bad of an idea, but you're going against a massive trend here. Like, bears are not coming lightly here. Might try them real quick, just like to see how they act. Let me see. This could just be me being like trying to, you know, catch something because I missed the downside, but let's try them. We could get burned on these, really, with the action we're getting. Don't recommend trading like this at all. Yeah, still very weak. That was a terrible trade, not gonna lie. It's just crazy to me that we're dropping this much, but that doesn't mean we cannot keep dropping. Dumb, stupid ass trade, bro. Dumb trade. Oh no, he was still holding them. He caught 500%. Wonder how much he paid for those. He made 3K. What's 3 point? Dang it, bro. We're getting wrecked on these for no reason. We shouldn't have been counter trend here. He paid 580 for those and he made 3.1K. Insane. Adding another one. Dang, didn't get filled. Missed my entry. Fucking hell. Missed my entry again. Gotta sell there on half of the contracts at 4.6. Just want to minimize my risk here because I don't love this play and we already got a pretty decent pop here. Yeah, these contracts, they've already devalued a ton. Gonna see what these next ones can do. Can we at least go and retest this here? Damn it, bro. Another rejection, dude. This is insane, bro. And we're on the opposite side of the move, bro. Ah, this sucks so bad. Sucks so bad. Are you fucking seeing this shit? What the actual fuck just happened? We're still selling off, bro. We're about to hit 390. Are you insane, bro? We still got what? It's not 1043. Hold up. 1053. What is this sell-off, bro? This got to be one of the craziest things I've seen. Dang it, bro. Couldn't get a sell there. Had an order at 33.50. Fuck. Any bounce fucks these contracts. Damn it, bro. Holy shit. This sell-off is continuing, bro. Holy crap. Okay. But to be 1,000% real with you guys, I traded fucking terribly today. Today was easily my worst trading day of the year. Easily. And you can see I'm up 0.48%, but I do not deserve to be green today. Man, today should have been such a killer day, and I fumbled the bag, bro. I sold these too early. I was holding these 3,900s for next week, for Wednesday. But I didn't want to hold it over the weekend because obviously theta, Mondays, 3 days of theta over the weekend. Fuck that. Oh man, I should have held them a little bit longer here. Could have been up a percent on the day. We had them at 29.10. I sold them at 33.50. What a day though, but it's crazy that we're still going. Look at this, bro. 15-minute, by the way, played out perfectly here. But obviously I couldn't load puts here because I had already had puts from like over here, these 3,900s. But Keanu played it again, bro. Just shout out to Keanu today. He's an absolute beast, bro. Absolute beast. We gotta learn to be more like Keanu. Look at this. Caught another 300% on top of the other play he had earlier today. I think he sold it around 600%. What a beast, bro. Keanu, what a beast. See, this is how you're supposed to trade today. Oh my god, they're at 36 now. If you guys want to follow Keanu's trades, by the way, once Nets trades opens back up, you guys can follow Keanu's trades. He posts every single day. He's extremely active, and you'll get banger trades like this, bro. He's up on 400%. Easy clap, bro. Bro, Keanu makes it look easy. It's easy clap for Keanu. Good shit, Keanu. You're a fucking beast, bro. Fucking beast. I'm out here being a fucking bum today, bro. So sad I missed all this, bro. So sad. But hey, at least we're green on the day. At one point, we were down 2% on the account today, which is stupid, bro. Should not have been down 2%, bro. But I chased puts for sure. I chased them down here, but it ended up working out for us. Man, bro. Like I said, though, today was one of my worst trading days. Worst trading days easily. Shout out to my boy Harry Wing on Twitter as well. He crushed it today, bro. I had to make him this. Yes, it was these, bro. Their low was 105. They hit 62. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? That's insane. That's insane, bro. I hope you guys ate today, man. Such an easy day to eat today, but I didn't. I fumbled today. I mean, at least today wasn't a massive red day. Some people got blown out today. You gotta think about it, man. Trading's a zero-sum game, so if somebody's printing, somebody's having a terrible day. So somebody was buying calls this whole time. I tried calls, but I went super light, and I eventually sold them. I sold half of them actually for a profit, but the other half were a huge loss. I think they're like 60%, 70% loss. When you see moves like this, just know people are getting blown out. So if you were green, flat, or big green, be grateful, man. Be grateful. Man, it's just amazing to see these kind of moves, man. It amazes me. I'm 3 years in the game, and these type of days still surprise me. It's like fucking crazy, bro. It's crazy the amount of money that's left on the table on these type of days. There's not much to do here. I'm not gonna chase puts. I'm not gonna try to do calls right now. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching it. It might be a long one because there was a decent amount of trades. You can see by my window here of all the positions I've taken today. So it's gonna be a longer day, longer video. So sorry about that. Shout out to you if you watched the whole thing. I know it's especially on a Friday. So yeah, shout out to you. Gonna see you guys next week. Have a good long 3 weekends. Rest up, bro. Get some studying in if you can, and get ready, man. But yeah, catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.